Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create your Proforma financial projections for a vending machine company business plan using my business plan template that I do sell on my website. So the way this video is going to work out is, first and foremost, I'm going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, I'm going to introduce you all to my vending machine business plan template. In my template, it does come with a Word document that's customizable, and I have a tutorial on a different video for that. But what we're going to be focused on is the second document that's included in the template, which is the Excel file. So I'm going to show you all the customized Excel file that is going to be, you can customize it and put your information in there. And once you're done with it, you'll have your Proforma financial projections ready for your vending machine company. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation that I promised you. As promised, a little bit about myself. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA. Owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own vending machine business plan, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books on there. And again, those books are related to business plan writing. Go figure. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if you do need your financial projections done, your business plan's all ready to go, again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write to complete your financial projections for your vending machine business for you. All right, with that said, like I said, when you do, if you are interested in buying my vending machine business plan template, then when you do that, and I will be giving you all a link in order to do that at the end of the video, but if you do that, you're going to get the Word document, and you're also going to get this Excel financial model. In this Excel financial model, it comes with 4 tabs. So you got your information tab. You're going to make changes here, so any changes that you make in the darker colored cells, they will update into the projections tab, which has a nice little chart here showing your revenues, your expenses, and your net profits. And then also this includes your next 12-month profit, next 12-month projections broken into quarters, so month 1 through 3, quarter 1, 4 through 6, quarter 2, and so on. And then it also includes your pro forma income statement, annual projections for the next 5 years. So any changes made in this tab right here updates that information right in those other tabs. So the way that I've got this information page broken down to as well, I've got that broken down into sections as well. These are your daily sales, your estimated labor, your estimated startup cost, your estimated monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, some of your growth rates, and then your loan information if you're going to take out a loan. So once you fill out the darker colored cells, boom, again, all your information is updated into the projections. So let's go through the daily revenues. So for the revenue section, the information you can change is going to be your variable cost, your number of items sold, and average price per item. For this example right here, we're saying that we're going to sell 500 items on a daily basis. Average price per item sold is $2.50. And then our variable cost is 50%, which means that if we sell an item for $2.50, it probably costs us about $1.25. The next portion that can be changed in this segment right here is going to be the number of days that you're going to be operating. If you're going to be open, if your vending machines are going to be going 7 days a week, then put 7. If they're going to be running 5, then put 5, and so on. Labor, how many employees are you going to have? However many employees you're going to have, put the number there. Your average rate of pay for per employee. If they're going to be a full-time employee, put 172 hours. And then finally right here is going to be how much money you're going to be paying yourself. If you're going to pay yourself $3,000 a month, then put that there. And again, all of your information updates accordingly. The next section is going to be your startup cost. The first 2 lines is going to be your investments. How much money are you going to put out of pocket? For this example, we're saying the equity investment is $50,000. And then if you're going to have a loan, how much is your loan going to be? And you're going to put that right here. Now, for this example, we're saying you're going to be taking out a loan of $150,000. When you put that number there, It will automatically populate right here. And then you can change the interest rate that you're expecting on the loan and the number of years you're going to be expecting on the loan. So for example, if you are going to have, if your interest rates could be 6% and you're going to have a 5-year loan, you put that information there, the payment automatically calculates, and it also goes through your financial projections as well. All right, the next sections right here, again, any place with the darker color cells, you can change the numbers. These titles right here can be changed as well, but these 2 titles, actually these 4 titles, cannot be changed, so make sure to keep those static. So just go through your startup costs, break them into categories, whether it be your build out, your working capital, the actual vending machine equipment, inventory, advertising, and so on. And then just make sure that you align cost with your various categories. Finally, make sure that the startup cost, the first 2 lines here, equals your total amount that is distributed. Next section is going to be monthly fixed costs. These titles right here are fixed. They are monthly fixed costs. But these numbers right here can be updated. So if you're not going to have rent, put a 0 here. If you are going to have rent, it's going to be $1,500. Well, then put $1,500 there, and then just go through it: your utilities, your office expenses, your insurance, accounting, legal, advertising, and other. And whatever those costs are, make sure to put it here. And again, all your projections will update accordingly. Next information is going to be your growth rate. This is your growth rate for your revenues for the next 5 years, what you anticipate for the growth rates, and then growth rates for your various costs right here. Yeah, so once you update this information, these cells right here, then your projections right here will update, as well as your profit and loss statement and your income statement. And then finally, once you're done updating your financial model, you're going to take your financial model, you are going to then go over to the Word document portion of the business plan templates, and you're going to go, if you're going to update the pro forma income statement, go to the Word document, highlight the pro forma income statement, delete it, and then hit Control V, and now you've got your new numbers updated based on your individual expectations for your business. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful, and so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up and call it a day. So in summary, if you are interested in buying my vending machine business plan template, which includes the Word document and the Excel financial model, just go to my website, link right here. If you want to go ahead and check out some of my free tutorials that are based on updating and modifying and adding content to my various business plan templates, go ahead and visit my my link right here for my tutorials. They are free. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates and you just want somebody to write the business plan for you, be delighted to do so. Check out my prices page here. And then finally, let's sum it up. So if you do buy my customizable vending machine business plan template, it does come with a Word document. Also comes with the financial model that I just showed you. And then finally, there are some limitations. First, the documents are not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, if you have questions before you buy the template, and you want to have a conversation about it, pick up the phone, give me a call, somebody text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about my vending machine business plan template before you buy it. However, after you purchase the vending machine business plan template, if you do have questions about it, I would refer you to my business plan tutorials. They are in-depth tutorials. There's plenty of them. Check them out before you buy. I think you like what you see. All right, hopefully this information was helpful, and as always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.